Get ready for the action because Shenzhen International Holdings is making massive moves. This leading operator of airports and logistics infrastructure is advancing major expansion projects at Shenzhen International Airport, positioning itself perfectly to capitalize on the massive passenger traffic boom across China. We dive into how this infrastructure giant is securing its future amidst the soaring demand for travel and global trade.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we take you deep into the vibrant energy of Shenzhen itself. Prepare to feel the heat and taste the excitement as we explore the unforgettable flavors of the Shenzhen night markets. From sizzling seafood grills to steaming dim sum and mouth-watering claypot porridge, join us as we experience the pulse of this dynamic city after dark. Now, let's switch gears to the world of high-tech finance. We are looking at the exciting debut of Aequitas, focusing on the Shenzhen LDRobot IPO trading. Discover the strong retail appetite and the decent institutional demand surrounding this new offering, and see what this signals for the future of robotics investment. And finally, we look at the backbone of urban development. Shenzhen Investment Ltd is reporting steady operations as it pushes forward with crucial property development and transport projects across southern China. Find out how this infrastructure developer is leveraging public-private partnerships and toll road operations to capture the momentum of China's real estate recovery. Don't miss this deep dive. Stay locked in and hit that subscribe button for more breaking news. Shenzhen International Holdings is capitalizing on the robust recovery in China's travel and logistics sectors, driving growth across its diversified infrastructure portfolio. The company, a leading operator of airports and integrated logistics services in China, is advancing key expansion projects that are directly supporting rising passenger traffic at major Chinese hubs. As of May 12, 2026, the company reported significant progress at Shenzhen International Airport, which managed over 52 million passengers in 2023, positioning the firm favorably for U.S. investors seeking exposure to Asia's aviation rebound. Operating through stakes in airport management and logistics infrastructure, Shenzhen International Holdings leverages high-traffic aviation routes and e-commerce-driven cargo demand within the Greater Bay Area. The firm's model is built on stable, long-term revenue derived from airport concessions, including retail and parking, complemented by resilient income streams from logistics segments such as warehousing and supply chain services. Aviation remains the primary growth engine. In the first half of 2025, airport revenues surged due to a 15% year-over-year passenger growth. Furthermore, non-aviation fees from retail and lounges account for a substantial 40 to 50% of airport earnings. The logistics arm benefits significantly from e-commerce giants, with cargo handling at Baiyun reaching record volumes in 2025, directly connecting to U.S. import and export flows. Looking ahead, China's aviation sector is projected to see 8 to 10% annual passenger growth through 2030. Shenzhen International Holdings maintains a strong competitive position in the southern region, benefiting from Bay Area integration. For U.S. investors, the company offers an indirect entry point into the region's economic dynamism, as its role in trans-Pacific cargo routes provides exposure to global trade flows. Listed on the Hong Kong Exchange and included in global indices, the stock offers a pathway for U.S. portfolios to gain exposure to critical Chinese infrastructure without direct mainland listing complexities. Market analysts suggest that sustained demand in both travel and freight will continue to shape the company's trajectory. Shenzhen's night markets are a vibrant spectacle, serving as the pulsating heart of the city after dark. The atmosphere is electric, characterized by a rich sensory experience that keeps the city glowing late into the night. Visitors are drawn to an array of mouth-watering culinary delights. Seafood grills sizzle over open flames, while oysters are cooked to perfection. The aroma of rich beef offal stew mingles with the steam rising from Teochew claypot porridge, complemented by freshly made mung bean cakes and steaming dim sum. Colorful fresh fruits offer a refreshing counterpoint to the savory offerings. More than just a place to eat, the night markets are social hubs where people gather, stroll, and linger, creating an environment where the energy of the night rivals the vibrancy of the day, offering an easy and lively experience for all. SHENZHEN LDRobot has successfully completed its initial public offering, attracting significant interest from retail investors while maintaining a solid demand from institutional players. According to analysis from Smart Karma, the IPO has already attracted over 55,000 investors, a group that includes prominent global asset managers overseeing assets exceeding $13 trillion. This strong initial appetite suggests robust market confidence in the company's prospects following the listing. The trading activity following the IPO indicates a healthy balance between individual investor enthusiasm and sustained institutional interest in the LDRobot stock. Shenzhen Investment Ltd stock, listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker HK01520000357, has reported steady operational progress as of early 2026, reinforcing its position as a key player in China's urban infrastructure sector. The company continues to advance its portfolio across property development, toll road operations, and urban construction projects, emphasizing a commitment to sustainable growth amid the current economic landscape in China. Operating as a diversified infrastructure investment company, Shenzhen Investment Ltd focuses its activities primarily in southern China. Its business model integrates property development, managing expressways and bridges that generate stable toll revenues, and undertaking urban construction, including environmental projects. The firm develops residential, commercial, and industrial properties, while simultaneously managing toll road assets such as the Shenzhen-Zhongshan link, which is boosting traffic volumes. Property development remains the largest revenue driver, fueled by sales of apartments and commercial spaces in rapidly growing cities. In contrast, toll road operations provide a crucial source of predictable, recurring income, offering resilience against market fluctuations. The company's strategy heavily relies on public-private partnerships to secure long-term stability, positioning it well to capitalize on government stimulus driving infrastructure concessions. Leveraging strong local government ties, the company's portfolio includes large-scale developments within the Greater Bay Area, directly supporting regional integration. This focus on urban solutions allows Shenzhen Investment Ltd to offer U.S. investors indirect exposure to China's massive urbanization trends. The company's Hong Kong listing, traded in HKD, provides a pathway for currency diversification from USD assets, facilitating access for international investors. Investors are closely monitoring the company's performance, recognizing that while property sales are cyclical, the infrastructure and toll revenue streams offer a balanced financial profile. Ongoing execution of projects remains paramount in this competitive environment.